Stop. What are you chasing right now? If then you have been raised with Christ, seek the things that are above, where Christ is, seated at the right hand of God. Colossians 3:1. If you have been raised with Christ, your life cannot be centered on the things of this world. The world says chase success, chase money, chase recognition. But Scripture says, seek the things that are above. Why? Because everything on earth is temporary. Your possessions can disappear. Your achievements can fade. People's approval can change. But Christ is eternal. If you belong to Jesus, your heart should be set on him, not controlled by what the world offers. You were raised with Christ to live a new life with a new direction and a new desire. So today ask yourself, what has my heart been chasing? Turn your eyes from the temporary and set your heart on Jesus Christ, who is seated at the right hand of God. If Christ is the center of your life, comment Christ first and share this with someone who needs this reminder. Don't chase what fades. Chase Christ